we're going to be turning this to this. Hey guys, Danny here from Open Throttle, and today we have our stock G80 M3 competition, which looks great, drives great, but doesn't sound all that great. So today we're going to be changing that. This is Australia's most popular mid-pipe for the G8X platform, with over 500 of these units sold. So why is it so popular? There's no drone, no tuning required, no check engine lights, and it's super cost effective. You can either get the mid-pipe alone or pair it with our ValveTech valve controller, which gives you the same ability as those $4,000 full exhaust system that allows you to open and close the valves whenever you want. So enough talk, let's get in. So comparing it to the stock mid-pipe, you can see how much more restrictive it is with 2 resonators and 2 cats. We've completely deleted that system in ours, which lets more exhaust gases flow through to get a better sound. Now we have completed the big single mid-pipe on the G80. Let's give it a listen.